Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Fremont Street today is one of the most layered and visually distinctive areas in Las Vegas. What sets it apart is its mix of classic casinos, modern entertainment venues, and structures that date back to the early years of the city. The street operates under a massive canopy of the Fremont Street Experience, a structure that spans several city blocks and creates an enclosed pedestrian district unlike anything else in Nevada. Casinos like the Golden Nugget, the Fremont Hotel, Binions, the Four Queens, and the California Hotel form the core of the street's landscape. These properties represent multiple eras of downtown development, from mid-century expansion to renovations that brought modern gaming floors, updated hotel rooms, and expanded attractions. Each building tells part of the story of how downtown Las Vegas adapted to remain relevant through the changes in tourism, entertainment, and casino culture. The canopy above the street functions as more than an architectural feature. It transforms the corridor into a unique viewing tunnel, creating a linear cityscape framed by neon, LED panels, and historic signage. This structure allows the casinos and buildings beneath it to retain their original facades while giving Fremont Street a unified and contemporary identity. The environment below is shaped by the mixture of old signs, updated storefronts, and design elements added during later redevelopment phases. Alongside the casino sits a wide range of shops, bars, and entertainment venues that reflect the district's ongoing evolution. Retail spaces are built into the ground floors of older buildings, blending vintage architecture with modern storefront designs. Many of the surrounding hotels connect directly to Fremont Street through interior walkways or renovated entrances, creating a network of paths that link various parts of downtown without breaking the continuity of the street. Fremont Street also sits within one of the most historic neighborhoods in Las Vegas. Many of the side streets branching from it contain structures from different periods of the city's growth: 1940s commercial buildings, mid-century motels, and modern developments built during downtown revitalization. This creates a rare situation where multiple layers of Las Vegas history sit within walking distance of each other. Another defining aspect of the area is the cluster of themed attractions surrounding the main pedestrian corridor. These include classic neon signs preserved from earlier eras, prominent marquees that have been remained in place for decades, and artworks integrated into the urban landscape. Together they create a mix of tradition and reinvention that defines the modern identity of Fremont Street. Today, Fremont Street serves as a counterpart to Las Vegas Strip. Where the Strip focuses on large-scale resorts and themed megablocks, Fremont offers a more compact, historical, rich environment filled with landmarks that predate much of the city's modern expansion. The buildings, signage, and layout remains distinct, giving the district a character that cannot be replicated elsewhere. The combination of preserved history and ongoing redevelopment is what makes Fremont Street one of the most unique urban corridors in the country, an area that continues to evolve while still carrying the early chapters of Las Vegas within its architecture and layout.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.